Let's talk about this question. In this question, they are asking which AWS service or feature help restrict the AWS service resources and individual API access the user and roles in each member account can access. So the option we are having: Amazon Cognito, AWS Seal, AWS Firewall Manager, AWS Organization. So let's understand one by one. First, we talk about the Amazon Cognito. Actually, this service is used for providing your sign in and sign up services for your mobile application. Next, we are having AWS Seal service. That is the service which is security service for protecting against the DDoS attacks, like we are having distributed denial of service attacks we are having on our web application or any resource. So it will stop responding to actual users respond requests. So the thing is, it is used to protect DDoS attacks. Next service we are having AWS Firewall Manager. That is the service which is used for managing various security services in AWS. And the last service we are having AWS Organizations. AWS Organizations actually help us to centrally manage and govern our environment as we grow and scale our AWS resources. It uses programmatically. We can create new AWS accounts and allocate resources, group accounts to organize our workflow. So there are many advantages, or we can say the benefits of using AWS organizations. Actually, it helps us quickly scale our environment by allowing us to programmatically create new AWS account. Next advantage we are having, it applies policies that give our teams the freedom to build with the resources they need. There are other benefits as well. So here we are looking for the service which can help us to restrict the AWS service resources and individual API access. So that I can see only can be done by AWS organization. If we will as we discussed, Cognito is only for providing some sign-in sign-up services for mobile applications, so it's not correct. It is used AWS Shield services for protecting from DDoS attacks, so it is not looking in the question. And the firewall manager is for the managing security related services in AWS. So our answer will be AWS organizations for this question.